Hello iPhone users, so the controls that you have as the owner of the shared album, I'm going to tell you what you can do. Like for example, you get a notification, right? So the other person who has it liked your video which you uploaded or commented also, which I told you someone can comment, right, in the previous videos. So in the activity area you get this option, right? So the person has shared a video, and now if you tap on that, you slide it down, you can see the comment. You hold it, you tap on delete, or you can copy or share it as well, right? You can definitely like the post as well. So the person who has liked is you, and you yourself and the other person, right? So you can like it as well by tapping on the thumb option. You here are two likes, so you also did it, the other person also did it, right? And yes, this is how we explored the control options of as a owner of the shared album. You can delete the comment as well. See you in the next video where I've told you more features of shared album. Tada!